Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Soundboard on Discord. First, navigate on the Discord server. Now go to voice channels and just click on whichever you want to join. As you can see here, it says voice connected. Now on the bottom left, you should see this music icon that is for the soundboard. Just click on it to open up. Now from here, just hover on any sound available. Click the play button to play the sound. Once you click on play, it will play the sound for everyone in the voice channel to hear. You can also press the star icon to favorite the sound or to just preview the sound and only play it for yourself. So as you can see here, it has been added to my favorites list. Now there is also an option for you to upload your own sounds in the soundboard. Just click this button that says add sound to upload. That's if you have permission to upload sounds in that server or channel. For this one, it says I don't have any permissions, so the button is grayed out. Lastly, here is a volume icon that you can click if you want to adjust the soundboard's volume. Now I went to another server and connected myself on one of its voice channels, but as you can see here, it doesn't have any soundboard or the music icon. Now, if you don't see that for a particular channel or server, you should check out our other video titled How to Fix Discord Soundboard Not Showing, and that might help you out. And that's it. That's how you enable Soundboard on Discord. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.